Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I will be sharing with you a quick and easy chicken curry recipe, perfect for beginners. So friends, this recipe is so delicious. I know that everyone is going to love it. So please take a moment, subscribe, and welcome. So friends, for this recipe, you're going to need a combination of mixed veggies. So what I have is the 3 pound of chicken, thoroughly clean and washed with a bit of lime and vinegar. Next, I'm going to go ahead and add a combination of mixed spices. A bit of garlic powder, onion powder, black pepper, chili powder, and also masala, geera, and also curry powder. Do keep in mind I will leave a full list below so you can always check it out. So friends, on this channel I bring you guys the most easiest and simplest recipe you can put together in little or no time. So if you're new to my channel, please subscribe. So once you add your ingredients, next you just want to go ahead and just give it a good mix and set it aside. So friends, when it comes to marinating, overnight's best. When it comes to taste and flavor, it does make a big difference. Next, in a heated pot, I'm just going to go ahead and add a bit of oil and also chopped garlic. After a few seconds, I'm going to go ahead and add my mixed veggies and start fry for a few minutes. So friends, when it comes to making curry dishes, you certainly can add any ingredients of choice. As mentioned earlier, I will leave a full list of ingredients and measurement below so you can always check it out. So friends, after a few minutes of stir fry, next I'm going to go right ahead and add my dry ingredients, geera, masala, curry powder, and just stir fry for a few minutes. So after stir and fry my veggies and my curry for a few minutes, next I'm going to go right ahead and add a bit of water. So friends, after 2 minutes or so, you want to go ahead and add your seasoned chicken. Next, I'm going to just go ahead and cover it and let it cook for 15 to 20 minutes. So my friend, here we are after 15 minutes. Looks amazing. Next, I will go right ahead and add one potato, chop into small pieces. friends, for this recipe you definitely need a side dish. I'm just gonna go right ahead and prepare a bit of rice. So friends, at this point we are all done. So friends, if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing for more easy video recipe. Quick and easy chicken curry recipe for beginners. Thanks for watching. Until next time.